Hey guys, this is the RT Cuber, and I'm back here with another review of the Rubik Cube. Yeah, I got this new Rubik Cube. It's the YJ Guanlong. Yeah, let's box this. Quite easy though. Not bad. Not bad though. Wait. What I feel for you guys is that this cube is pretty good. Yup. And it can reach your expectation. This cube is like pretty okay, but it's not really that speed cube as you can see. Sometimes it can literally backfire, like literally backfire. I mean, like seriously, it really can backfire. I'm sorry, really, I can't use like two hands. Yeah, not bad. Cutting is not bad, but it has a issue sometimes. It's really tight. You see, it can't really corner cut. I'll show you. Okay, fine. I can. Not bad, but sorry for this blue thing over here. Not bad. I think this cube is great for beginners. Yeah, try and get this at about 750. It's quite decent. And if you guys want to check out my tutorial on how to solve a Rubik Cube, yeah, awesome. Not bad. Consulting is awesome. It's good. Great. Okay, that's it for the review. It's not bad. It's like really. If you lubricate this cube, it can really be very fast. But yeah, it doesn't really have any like brands or designs on it. Yeah, it's a 3x3 Rubik Cube. Dope. Yeah, it's by the way, this YJ Guanlong is black. You can get a white one too. Yeah. It's not much like things about it. Most of the time they're like they're just like Chinese. And as you can see, there's like 3 different types. There's the Baise, white, hazel, black, and Taoming. I think Taoming is the transparent one. Yeah, actually you can get a transparent one. I think transparent one is great. It's too awesome. Yeah. Please subscribe, favorite, like, comment, and if you want to buy this cube, please comment about this cube, like how you feel about it. So yeah, thanks. Bye.